dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Hello viewers, welcome back to this channel. Thank you all so much for joining us on today's news. The headlines: Sunday Igboho finally broke silence on the report that he transformed into a cat during a midnight raid conducted by DSS. Moving after this, we have gunmen attacked Kogi Governorship Election Tribunal Secretary and carted away sensitive petition documents. But before we proceed with this news, welcome to Reality Latest Gist, a home of news and politics. Thank you all so much for joining us on today's news. If this is your first time of watching, please do us a favor to like and also subscribe. Share, don't forget to turn notification bell to get notified when next we drop our video. You can send in your comments and keep the conversation lively in our comment section. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you all so much for joining. To all our viewers, feel relaxed, enjoy and stay connected. The Yoruba Nation agitator Sunday Igboho finally broke silence on the reports that he transformed into a cat during a midnight raid conducted by the Department of State Services (DSS). Igboho debunked the report in an interview, saying nothing like that happened during the DSS raid. Rather, the DSS indiscriminately fired bullets during the raid, leading to the death of several cats. Because the DSS just kept firing bullets in all directions, and he was hearing cat as pets, and he had many of them in the house, so anything or movement attracted sporadic gunshots. And their mission was to either kill him or arrest him and take him to an unknown destination. But he said that God Almighty is greater than anybody in this world, including the despotic ex-president Muhammad Buhari. So God and Providence was the one that put Buhari to shame with the lawless invasion of his home, because they all failed to achieve what they came for. So he didn't turn into a cat to escape. Meanwhile, Igboho said he is unaware if the DSS brought 3 herbalists during the raid, because the bullets fired for several hours at his residence caused fear and commotion. And he wouldn't know that because the DSS stormed his residence at midnight, causing fear and commotion in the whole of the Soka area of Ibadan and releasing a volley of bullets for several hours. So he asked that in that kind of atmosphere of confusion and violence, how do we expect him to be checking if they came with herbalists or pastors? So he said that there was no time for that. When he was asked to clarify the reports of stockpiling guns in his house, Igboho said that is very far from the truth. How can he stockpile guns in his house? That all those allegations are phantoms and cooked up by the DSS just to implicate him in a planned or trumped up criminal trial. So guys, let me know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions are in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Let's keep the conversation lively in our comment section. Moving on to the next one. The Kogi State Police Command has confirmed that gunmen attacked the secretary to the state's governorship election tribunal, Mr. David Umar Michael, on Monday in Lokoja, and made away with sensitive petition documents on the just concluded gubernatorial election in the state. The spokesperson of the command, SP Williams Anya, disclosed this in a statement in Lokoja on Wednesday, December 6, 2023, said that the attackers of the state governorship tribunal secretary carted away all the petition documents filed by 5 political parties at gunpoint. According to the PRO, the documents carted away from Mike include petitions filed by 4 parties: Action Alliance AA, Action People Party APP, People Redemption Party PRP, and Social Democratic Party SDP, as well as 2 record books, a bag containing his personal items. He added by saying that the incident happened just before the Central Bank of Nigeria office at about 13:20 hours on Monday, while victims were on their way to the tribunal venue at the State High Court Complex, Lokoja. On Monday, 4th 12, 2023, at about 18:20 hours, Mr. David Umar Michael, Secretary to Kogi State Governorship Election Petition Tribunal, Confidential Secretary, and Hasiminu Adamu, Assistant Secretary, came to State Criminal Investigation Department, Kogi State Police Headquarters, and they reported that on the said date, 3 of them left their hotel room in Lokoja about 13:00 hours, heading to their office at the High Court Complex, driving in his car, Peugeot 406 car. That is David's car. And all of them were surrounded and blocked as they attempt to reverse. That was when they saw about 7 hooded men, all heavily armed and dressed in black attire, who shot several into the air and dragged him and his 2 other colleagues out of their car, ransacked their car and made away with all the petition documents. SP Anya added that the State Commissioner of Police, CP Onoa Bertrand, had ordered a thorough and diligent investigation into the incident. Hey, my people, not just gunmen. I think that is APC talks loyal to Bello, and the CP is in the pocket of Bello, so he cannot do any investigation. Let's just say APC talks, because nothing concerns gunmen with people. The kind of things that happen in this country doesn't sound real. Like, how can a country function properly with all these tourists? The level of thuggery and oppression in this current administration is alarming. Does this lie worth it? Sometimes I question the judgment and duties of the police. There are many ways to do things right. These politicians can do whatever they want in this country because they know that they will always get away with it. The Nigeria Police Force should be ashamed of making certain statements. But then again, I'm not surprised because this is the reality we have been facing. But some people think it's tribalism and religion sentiment. That is the problem we have been facing. Now, why Dino no go court? Because he knows the people very well. Nothing we will not go see, nothing we will not go hear for this Nigeria. Let them just say the electoral votes lack creditability. The tribunal will rule in favor of their decision. That's all. These people will just come out and say nonsense to the public because they believe that nothing will happen. This slide is not just dramatic, it's extremely attractive. So guys, let me know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions are in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Let's keep the conversation lively in our comment section. Once again, thank you all so much for staying tuned with us. We really do appreciate. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. Don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified when there's a drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trending and latest news happening on social media. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Like, comment when there's. Stay safe, guys. Bye.
That's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you